Hello student, now let's do the exercise. Question first is, why do organisms need to take food? The answer is, organisms need to food to, first point is survive, second growth, third gain energy, fourth damage repair, fifth maintain body function. Question second is, distinguish between a parasite and a saprotroph. The answer is, the first point of parasite is parasite derives nutrients from the living organism. The first point of saprotrophs, they derives nutrients from dead and decaying organism. Second, parasite mostly live on or in the host. The second point of saprotroph is they live on dead and decaying stuff. Question third is, how would you test the presence of starch in leaf? When starch come in contact with iodine solution, give a characteristic dark blue color. So when we add a few drop of iodine solution on leaf, and if the dark blue color appearance, that will confirm the presence of starch in leaves. Give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food in the green plant. The answer is, the green plants, the synthesis of food occurs by the process called photosynthesis. During this process, chlorophyll in the cells of the leaves use carbon dioxide and water to synthesize carbohydrate in the presence of sunlight. The process can be represented by an equation. The equation is carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The product is carbohydrate plus oxygen. Now during this process, oxygen is liberated and the formed carbohydrate is stored in the form of starch. Now question 6, fill in the blanks. Green plants are called autotrophs. Autotrophs since they synthesize their own food. B, the food synthesized by the plant is stored as starch. C, in photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called chlorophyll. D, during photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Question 7, name the following. A parasite plant with yellow, slender and tubular stem. The plant is Cuscuta. Second is, a plant that has both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The plant is pitcher plant. The pores through which leaves exchange gases, the pores is called stomata. Now question 8, take the correct answer. A, umbrella is an example of, the correct answer is parasite. B, the plant which traps and feeds on insect is, the answer is pitcher plant. Match the column. Question 9, column first, chlorophyll, the answer is leaf. Second, nitrogen, the answer is bacteria. Third, amarbeil, the answer is parasite. Animal, answer is heterotrophs. Insects, answer is pitcher plant. Now mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. First is, carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. Answer is false. Plants which synthesize their food themselves are called saprotrophs. Answer is false. The product of photosynthesis is not a protein. True. Fourth, solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. Answer is true. 11, choose the correct option from the following. Which part of the plant take in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? The answer is stomata. 12. Choose the correct option from the following. Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their. The answer is leaves.